fucking ringing. Can't fucking have easy. The message center. Okay, watch. I go easy way, and it's fucking busy. Okay. You have to pay 9, and then I go 611. That's 311. Rings. Hey! That was 311. No, 611. Yes, that's fucking dial that shit.
Because you have to press 9.
It's fucking message center. Fuck is that about? Okay. Move your fingers. Okay, come here. Get over here. What?
Jesse.
Fuck you, message center, and you fucking pancakes. Okay, I'm hungry.
Why don't we just go down and order them?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
It's so much easier than that piece of shit. Okay, where are my shoes?